my friends, welcome in new video with Riot Shield. Our last one made for over 2 million views and I'm really grateful for that. So I will be doing giveaway and even you can win your own Riot Shield. But wait for the more information by the end of this video. For today we are going to be testing projectile weapons. And like last time, we are going to start from the small one and get to the big ones. So, let's get started. Guys, our first weapon gonna be primitive Slingshot. But today is not gonna be David versus Goliath, but Adam versus Riot Shield. So, let's try that. Let's see. I have to admit, guys, it took me several tries. But as you can see, totally nothing on the shield. Just a few scratch. And there was very big stone. But nothing. Next weapon on our list gonna be also Slingshot, but modern one from Dankun, designed by Jörg Sprave. So I will be testing the steel ball. Guys, there is totally nothing. So, with the most common thing at the demonstration, the slingshot, policeman is totally safe. If he is hit with a slingshot at the demonstration to the shield, no problem. Let's move to another weapon. Okay guys, now let's try this mini crossbow. Okay guys, with this small crossbow, like most of you expected, nearly nothing. Very small dent on the shield. So as you can see guys, the policeman is still protected. But we have still more weapons to go. Let's try them. Our next weapon gonna be blowgun from Cold Steel. When I was in Zombie Go Boom show, this thing was able to penetrate the zombie skull. But what about shield? Let's try it. No way! Look at that, guys! Wow, that's crazy! I was really thinking that this small arrow will bounce off, but it's stuck to the shield. That's pretty crazy. This blowgun is really powerful, but still, it didn't penetrate what we want. So, time to move to another weapon. Now we are going to make from our slingshot, sling bow. Okay, let's see the first hit. It was a little bit too low and we made this dent, look. Not that big damage. But I will try one more time. I think we can't penetrate this shield, guys. Let's see. Look. I think this is even smaller hole than before. So sling bow versus Riot Shield, definitely no. Okay guys, now we are going to try classic bow. Let's see if we can penetrate it this time. Wow! Are you serious? Look at that, guys. This shield, I don't know what to say. This is so strong. I have to try one more time because I can't believe that this shield can stop even normal bow. Wow! That is so awesome. Look at that. Not even penetrate the one layer of the shield. That's insane, guys. Wow. I will try different type of arrow. Wow. Guys, that's totally insane. Which is it? This one and so small dent. I was pulling to my max and even with the different type of arrow we wasn't able to penetrate his shield. What the hell? We have to try one more thing. I am sure that most of you guys want to see me using fire arrow. So let's try that. Let's see, guys. Our fire fell off and also it didn't work. Our only chance is crossbow. Let's try that. Okay, my friends, the deadliest weapon on our list is this crossbow, John Doe Chase Vine. First we are going to try normal bolt and then with the hunting tip. Can't wait to try it. Okay guys, now we are on the safety. Let's put it on the fire and let's test the shield. Wow guys, now we are talking. Check this out. With this legal weapon that anyone can buy, we penetrate the whole shield, even with the second layer. Oh my god, and look at that. Your hand is right here, right above this. So you can imagine that your hand is really damaged because of this shot. Look at that. Oh my god, that's brutal. Ooh. I think I will not use anymore this arrow. Let's try the hunting tip. That looked pretty deadly. No way, guys! Check this out! This is totally insane! Look! We broke the whole shield and the arrow is actually stuck in this structure. This is totally insane! Look at that hole! Oh my god! I really not expect this. It's whole cracked. Guys, let's see the inside. This totally blew my mind. Look at that! I can't believe it! This hunting tip with the legal crossbow went with the 2 layers of the most impact resistant shield in the world and even went straight through this wood and it's totally stuck. I mean, this is totally insane. Wow. Let's try remove this one. Okay, the bolt is stuck there. Look at that, guys. That's crazy. And that is what left from our hunting tip. And once again, guys, I am blown away with this damage. So what you think about this test, guys? Pretty crazy, right? But now let's get to the giveaway. If you want to win your own Riot Shield, you just have to share, like and comment why you want to win it. And I will pick one lucky winner. So good luck. But wait, hundreds of you request that I should throw Nokia into that shield. So thank you everyone for watching. Share, like, comment, subscribe and